How you doing, guys? I'm Sean. Welcome to Rambles with my camera. Guys, today's video. Listen, I have to apologise, tell you, because in my last video, I mentioned I was going to be putting a video up around about Tuesday, Wednesday, the start of the week. It's never materialised, and sadly, this is not the video. I'm just putting this video up here to apologise, tell you, because I have been doing it. I've been trying to make this video happen, and I hit stumbling block after stumbling block, and I guarantee you that it's put me under a lot of stress here. Now it's about 5:30, quarter to 6 on the Friday evening here, and I know I'm not going to get it done, and that's the worst thing about it, because I like to do things whenever I say I'm going to do things, and if I can't get myself under stress, basically I know it's not getting done. I'm chocker blocked all this weekend, so it won't be till next week. Now listen, this thing I was going to share with you, I really think it's more to do with me. It's like an achievement for me in relation to the business, and it's in connection with my website. So I was making a video and also doing stuff on the website as well. And I had a few snags, as I say, and it's not going to happen. Well, it's not going to happen until next week. So my apologies. I'm sure you haven't been sitting waiting in this video to see what it's all about. But I loved all your comments, guys, and thank you so much for tuning in on the last video. I really appreciate you guys being here, and I think that's possibly what's put me under more stress, because I know what it's like. You guys are taking time out to watch these videos, and I wanted to make sure that that I was delivering. And I've got a wee announcement to make. I'll make it next week. Hold on, my contact lens is coming out here. That'll be a video on the contact lens popping out. So basically, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make it. I'm chock a block this weekend. I'll do it. I'll make it probably by Wednesday of next week. I'm being realistic here because I'm chocker until Tuesday. I will have it up. I'm looking forward to doing it. But it's just stressed me out so much not getting it done. So guys, I'm pulling back from it. So listen, have a fantastic weekend. Know that I'm sending you love from Belfast, and I really appreciate every single one of you. And what can I say? Big say, I'm going to meditate now, and let it all night champa and sit and kick back, chill out, relax, and we'll get it sorted out next week. Guys, listen, send you love from Belfast. Thanks very much for watching.